Hi everyone! So I received some beautiful happy mail from my friend Karen, and look at how beautiful this card is, you guys. So pretty. I just love it. So it's so funny. She sent it in the cracker box, and my mom was like, "Oh, good, I want crackers." And I was like, "Okay, here you go. Here's your crackers." So that was funny. Oh my gosh, you guys. She sent me more of these Anna Griffin kits. She had sent me one before that I still need to play with. But this is perfect because I have a spring floral shop that swap that I joined. So I can make the ladies a card. And this is just beautiful. I'm not a card maker, but I want to get into it. So I love that there is like a little inspiration little photo to this. These are just really pretty just to use as ephemera. Like, that is just gorgeous. Oh my gosh, how many kits are in here? So there's one. Here's another one. Oh, I think that's where this one came from. Kind of looks like that. Oh, beautiful. Look at the gold back there. There's two. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look at, here's another one. I think that one's Christmas. So this one's birthday. This one's Christmas. I don't know what, like, holiday this one is. Maybe just, like, friendship. Oh, my gosh. Here's the fourth one. So grateful and hello. So I think it's just, like, a friendship one. Doesn't this look like Tim Holtz ephemera? Like, I just love it. So pretty. Oh my gosh, here's another one, but I think there's like two in there. This one's fatter than all the rest. Oh, it's fatter because it has all of these already like layered pieces. Oh my gosh, gorgeous. I will definitely be doing a video using these. And here is our last one. I think it's Christmas. Yeah, that looks like Christmas. Oh my gosh, you guys, I pretty sure that I owned zero, a big zero Anna Griffin before she sent me that first card kit. That was like a couple months ago. So I am so stoked, you guys. Like, I look at her stuff on like QVC and I drool over it and I want it. But it's pricey, and I'm just like, too cheap. If it's not on sale or clearance, I try not to buy it. And that goes for everything in life. Like, even my car that I just bought last year, I made sure that there was like rebates to it and everything. So it's funny because my mom sent me a video yesterday. She's like, I'm surprised you haven't done this yet. So it was like a Costco plate, and the mom made her and her kid a taco, but cut the plate in half because the taco fit perfectly on just half of the plate. So my mom was making fun of me that she's surprised that I haven't done that yet, where I cut the plate, which I'm like, honestly, I'm like, that's genius. But usually what I do is I'm like, save your plate and I'll like clean it, even though they're like disposable plates. But I'm like, you can use this for the day. And like, you know, you just ate a sandwich on there. Like, the plate's not dirty. So, oh my gosh, yeah. And my mom makes fun of me all the time because if there's a way to save, I am going to do it. So anyways, that's my little story for today. You guys know I go off on these little like story time videos. So I just had to, it just crossed my mind and just made me laugh. So thank you guys so much for watching. Karen, thank you so much for the amazing happy mail. And yeah, guys, stay tuned. I will definitely go through these card kits and do a couple cards with you guys. I love that it has like the little inspiration because, like I said, I've been wanting to make cards for years. And now's my time to just go ahead and get it done. So, all right, guys, we'll see you later. Bye, guys.